In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Transform tool in Inkscape. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. If you already have artwork you want to adjust, open that document. Otherwise, create a new file so you can follow along with a simple shape. The Transform controls work on whatever you have selected, so be sure to click an object on your canvas before making changes. To access the toolset, go to the Object menu at the top and choose Transform. This opens a handy sidebar that organizes precise adjustments into 5 tabs: Move, Scale, Rotate, Skew, and Matrix. Each tab lets you type exact values, which is perfect when you need accuracy beyond what you get by dragging handles. In the Move tab, type how far you want to shift the selection along the X and Y axes, like 50px or 2 in. If relative move is checked, the object moves by that offset from its current position. If you uncheck it, the values act as page coordinates, letting you jump to an exact spot. This is great for aligning elements consistently across a layout. Next, in Scale, you can resize by percentage or by specific units. To avoid distortion, enable Scale proportionally so width and height change together. This is the safest way to keep logos, icons, and illustrations looking correct while making them larger or smaller. Rotate lets you enter a precise angle, such as 45.0. You can also change the rotation center by dragging the small crosshair on the selected object. Moving that pivot point allows you to rotate around a corner, an edge, or any custom reference, which is extremely helpful for layouts and radial designs. Skew provides horizontal and vertical tilt by degree values. A subtle skew can create a dynamic slant, while larger values can suggest a faux 3D perspective. Use small increments for cleaner results. Matrix is intended for advanced users and developers. It combines movement, scaling, rotation, and skew into a single mathematical transform. If you don't need that level of control, you can safely skip this tab. After you've entered your values in any tab, click Apply to commit the change. You can tweak and apply repeatedly until it looks just right. Remember, your adjustments only affect the current selection, so keep an eye on which objects are selected. That's it. With the Transform panel, you can make clean, repeatable edits quickly and accurately.